Hello, how are you? So today, this video, I will show you how I made this using this. Actually, it's already here. Fingerprint. Go to bing.com, create, login with your Google account or Microsoft account. Bing, create. Then, use this prompt. Fingerprint, silhouette. Wrong. Owl. You can put another here. You can change whatever you want here. Dog, cat. It's up to you. Gritty, suspenseful, white, distress for t-shirt print, black background. Okay, so this is the other designs it generated. It's very easy to do. You can use in your print demand. For example, I will use here download. So for this image, 1000 by 1000, it's pure white. I don't need to resize this. Just go directly to Photoshop. So this Photoshop, we'll use this one with height pixels using this resolution, RGB, create. So just file, place embedded. Okay, so you will see it's small. So check mark, then plus create new layer here in the top. Select again here. You only need to click one tool, put 100% tolerance, then click any white. After that, select this new layer, go to the here G, select, hold this to show this paint bucket tool, because sometimes you will see gradient like this and you need to hold and paint bucket. So this is selected. Ensure your color is white, then click here in your selection. So it's we painted this one with white, so we control D, deselect. So this one we can hide, or you can delete. So we did not use any upscaling here because it's only pure white, but you will see the details. It's grainy and grunge. So this one is look better on t-shirt. Or you can control T, ensure its alignment. Hide this one and export PNG. Okay, close this one. So this is how it looks now on the t-shirt. Wow, see, it's very fast to do this. Just use AI. It's better using AI because it will already provide this grunge and grain effect, as compared to using a vector. It will take longer. See? Bye bye.